In this tutorial, we'll discuss the importance of deceleration, especially in the movement of vehicles and when it is dangerous. Deceleration is negative acceleration. Now, acceleration and fast cars. We have the equation F equals m times a. In this case, the car should have low mass and the engine should provide a large accelerating force to be able to accelerate. Also, we need a force to stop the car, which means to decelerate. The system that helps the car to decelerate is the brakes. We have talked in previous tutorials about this system. This provides a safe stop. Now, in case of collisions, when two cars crash together, here we have rapid deceleration, and this may be harmful. It could cause injuries to the driver and the car will be crashed. This also happens in a lot of sports. Usually athletes have a high speed. Collisions could cause injuries in sports if the deceleration happened rapidly.